Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in the Glossybox July 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. And also, lovelies, this is my second time I'm filming this unboxing from Glossybox, because the first one I didn't turn on the audio, so the audio was off, so I can't upload that one. So this is my second time that I'll be unboxed with you the Glossybox. So if you're new to Glossybox, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, and you will receive 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup, and sometimes you will receive some treats too. But if you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, Jayca, and then you will have this box for only £10, which is not bad. So yes, so this is the box that it came, and let's open it. So this matte design box is this one, really cute box, and I really love these details. Really nice box. This box also, lovely, is it opens like a magnet. It's really cool. Definitely I will keep this box. It's really gorgeous box. I really like it. This detail, it reminds me of summer, even though outside it's raining a lot. So if you hear some rain, it's outside, it's raining a lot. So yes, let's open this box. It looks like this inside. It has the gold ribbon, the leaflet or the booklet, and it says glossy, and this month theme is the beauty treasures. Here we go. And then also we have the August sneak peek, which is, it says in here, get on your dancing shoes, Glossies, as next month is Glossy's 10th birthday. Wow, we don't want to keep all the presents for ourselves either, so we're bringing the celebrations to you too. To get you prepped and ready to party with us, inside our August box you will find the Illamasqua Pro Collagen Marine Cream, worth an incredible £30. This award-winning product will have your skin looking and feeling radiant. So here we go, the product, lovelies. I don't know if you can see it. So I love Illamasqua product, and this product here I tried many times. So yes, wait to receive this one. And then we have the gold yellow tissue paper, and let's open it. Oh, it's full packed this month too. So the first product we have here, and this is from Aurica Aura Body Fragrance Mist Tropic. So here we go. I hope you can see it. And this one has 50 ml. I'm pretty sure this is a full size, and it's spray. It smells gorgeous. It smells like coconut, tropical scent. It smells gorgeous. It doesn't have that strong scent I don't really like, but it has that subtle scent, so I will definitely use this one. So let's see what it says on the booklet. So this one, it's written for £20. So just this product itself, it costs more than the box. Wow. So this is the Aura Body Fragrance Mist in the scent Tropic. An island escape in a bottle, this tropic mist captivates island florals and warm rays of light, and allows you to add a luxurious scent that embodies exactly that to your skin. Just a spritz or two of this body fragrance will also leave your skin feeling super soft. So the next one we have here, and this is from KNDR Beauty Kind Bronze. Inside we have this one. I really hope you can see it, lovelies. I'm using a new camera at the moment, and I need to learn how to use it, so I really hope it works. So here we go inside, and this one in the shade Blissful Bronze. It's really a gorgeous shade, as you can see. and let's watch it. Oh, it's very soft. And here we go. Oh, it's not really that dark. I thought it will be like dark, but it's like a subtle bronzer. It's buildable, perfect for everyday too. So it's a nice shade. I don't even know if you can see it, lovelies, but it's really subtle bronzer, perfect for every skin tone because it's really a buildable one, soft, and it blends easily. So yes, and this one, it's full size and it's retail for 14 pounds. And it says, this natural buildable bronzing powder will give you a perfect sun-kissed glow. Creamy and ultra soft, the formula has also been created with a blend of nutrient-rich plant-based butters to condition your skin. Simply swipe across your face where the sun would naturally hit for an illuminating lift. So here we go, the second product. And the next one we have here, and this is from EMCO Beauty Cheek and Lip Tint. So here we go, the product. Hope you can see it. And I have in the shade Flamingo Pink. So inside, here we go, and let's watch it. I put a lot. You don't need to put this a lot, but yes, here we go, the shade. It's a little pink one. Love it, love the shade. Let's try it on my lid. It's really a lovely shade. Very hydrating too. It doesn't dry my lids, which is nice. So yeah, here we go, the shade. I don't have makeup on, lovelies, because it's night time. It's like 7 o'clock in the evening. So yes, here we go. Really a gorgeous shade. And as I said that I use a lot this kind of product, lip tint one, because I really have dry skin, so I need to put something like liquid or cream under my powder, my blush powder, so it lasts throughout the day. So yes, so this one, it's a full size, even though it's a tiny one, but it's a full size. But this one, it lasts you a lot because you just need a tiny bit of this one. Don't copy me that I put a lot. But yeah, this one is retail for 12 pounds. And it says, discover double duty beauty for a rosy pout and flushed cheeks. This lip and cheek tint perfectly blurs the lines between a dewy gloss and a pigmented stain. Make it an essential multitasking product. Blend using fingertips to give your cheeks a youthful luminous glow and your lips a natural pop of buildable color. So yes, here we go. And then the fourth product we have here, and this is from Home O in Apple and Starfruit Shower Steamer. Refresh your spirit for an amazing shower experience. Here we go, the product. I hope you can see. Here is the inside, and lovely. It smells refreshing. Smells like apple, citrus. Smells gorgeous. And this is a full size, and it's retail for £3.99, and it says, refresh your senses while you wash with this apple and starfruit shower steamer, essentially a bath bomb for your shower. Place this shell on the floor and wait for the humidity to hit. Your shell will fizzle, releasing an amazing aroma of sweet orange essential oils into the air, perfect to relax and unwind. Can't wait to try this one. It smells gorgeous. Can't wait to try it. And then the last product I have in here, it's not the last product. We have some threads too, but the last beauty product that we have in here, and this is from Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter. I love Illamasqua highlighting powder. I have in the shade OMG. And I'm using at the moment, lovelies, the Illamasqua in the shade Day Day, which is in this shade, which is a gorgeous shade. And I'm really glad that I received in another shade. So we have in the shade OMG. I hope I didn't blind you, lovelies. So here we go. It's more darker than the Dainty one. And let's watch it. Oh, I don't even know. I don't even know if you can see it. So this is in the shade Dainty, and this is in the shade OMG. So this one is much darker than the Dainty one. This one I'm using it every single day. They last throughout the day, and they are not like those highlighter with a lot of glitter, but it's just a subtle glow highlighter, which is I really love. And as you can see, lovelies, it's perfect. We have the blush, we have the bronzer, and we have the highlighter. Wow. So yes, that's all for the beauty products and the treat that we receive, lovelies, for this month. We have the Belvita Bake Bar, dark chocolate, and hazelnut. I love this one, so can't wait to eat this. And then we have also from Extra Refreshers, Bubble Mint Gum, perfect for every day. And we're using mask at the moment. Gum, it's really important for me, so yes, glad that we receive it. So yes, that's all. Oh, lovelies, I didn't say that the Illamasqua, which is we have here, this one is a full size, and it's retail for 34 pounds, and it says subtly add a warm hoe to your complexion with this highlighting powder, whether you want to achieve an all-over illuminating finish or simply highlight certain points. This product ensures you end up in a natural radiant glow buff beyond powder, either wet or dry, you choose, onto the high points of your face for long-lasting results. So yes, here we go. So that's all. As you can see, lovelies, that's all for my unboxing. So let's do a recap. So we have a full-size product from Aurica, which is a body mist. Smells gorgeous. Can't wait to try it. Definitely I will try. You know that I'm quite sensitive with the perfume smell, but this one, it's not really that overpowering smell. It's like a subtle one, so definitely I will use this one. Then we have the bronzer one, which is the KNDR Beauty Kind Bronze, which is a subtle bronzer, perfect for every skin tone. It's a build-up. And then we have the EMCO Beauty Chicken Lip Tint in the shade Flamingo Pink. I have on my lips, I have in here. Perfect shade for every day. I will definitely use this kind of shade, perfect for summer too. And then we have also the highlighting one, which is from Illamasqua, which is in the shade OMG. And as I said, I love Illamasqua highlighter. I use them a lot. As you can see, I use the Dainty one, but I love them. And then we have the Foam in Apple and Starfruit Shower Steamer. This is the product that I'm really curious to try. It smells nice. It smells like refreshing one, so can't wait to try it. So yes, that's all for my unboxing, lovelies. For my review, overall, I really do like the products that we received this month. I honestly do like. I definitely use every single product in here, and I really do like that we have more makeup in this box than skincare, because we always receive a lot of skincare at the moment. So I'm really glad that we receive makeup products in here. And then also the box this month, lovelies, it's really gorgeous. I love this month box. So yes, that's it for my unboxing. And you lovelies, are you waiting for this box? Are you thinking to subscribe to Glossybox? If you do, lovelies, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you receive this box for only £10, including the shipping fee. All the info, as always, lovelies, will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.